Hair growth trends that worked for me.
Welcome back to my channel. Rice water definitely works. Rice water is something that from day one of my natural hair journey I was trying because it was free and it was not too difficult to me. Just take the water after boiling rice, then I add it to my hair. Now because I was using it for so many years, I decided to maybe try not using it for 3 months to see if there would be any difference in my hair. There was a difference. It didn't even last up to 3 months. After not using it for 1 month, I went back to using it. I tried detangling my hair during those weeks that I didn't use the rice water, and my hair felt way too fragile. Olaplex is something that I got when I was in India because I saw it. It was mad expensive when I saw it because when I converted the price to Nigerian naira, it was about almost 60,000 naira. But I had been seeing so many good things about it online, and I was like, let me get this. So I got it, used it, and it was actually very, very interesting. It works very well. The instructions say use it as a pre-poo, and I was like, nah, this is too much money. So I went and I used it as, let's say, a pre-conditioner. I would use it before my conditioner, and I noticed that the effects were way too strong, and because of that I now actually use it as directed. Trims are very important, especially for me. If I don't get my hair trimmed, I can literally see that my hair is more difficult to manage. Detangling becomes a big chore. I'm done with the trim. It is time to oil my ends. Oiling my ends is something that I do every single day, just as long as my hair is out and not protected by any type of extensions. So oiling my hair definitely helps to prevent split ends because my ends are always lubricated, always moisturized, so that way I am able to prevent unnecessary friction that leads to split ends. Yeah, I guess that's why my ends are so healthy. Yeah, oiling my ends every single day is a must for me and my natural hair. Let's talk about scalp massages. Scalp massages is something I do every single night before I shower because it helps with stress, and I am somebody that has dealt with stress and grief in the past, especially when it comes to my hair. When I was like 16, I was experiencing mad hair loss and breakage when I was writing my final exams for secondary school. So I know definitely that I am one of those people that can have really bad hair experiences due to stress. I do not know if this makes hair grow faster, but I do know that it makes hair grow properly because scientifically we are promoting better blood circulation by massaging our scalps every night. So scalp massages definitely is a must for me.
Hair growth trends that did not work.
I have tried the inversion method and I can tell you for a fact that it doesn't work. I did it for 4 months and the only thing that I gained was a bad headache. So inversion method, that is turning myself upside down and massaging for about 5 minutes, supposed to give you an inch of growth. It didn't work, and I heard that it's bad for people with glaucoma, and I have glaucoma, so I had to stop it ASAP because I was not seeing any results regardless. There was this hair growth challenge I tried for 3 good months, and it was doing a hair growth challenge using garlic, onions and coffee. I did that for 3 months and it promised to give like 4 inches of growth in a month. I can say this for sure that challenge did not work, but it worked. After the 3 months of doing the hair growth challenge, I took down my hair and my hair was mad thick. Like the difference in thickness was extremely significant. So it worked, but it didn't work. 4 inches of growth. I barely had like 3/4 inches of growth in that month. So, and that hair growth challenge was really annoying because it's garlic and it's onions. So that one didn't work for me. Now, moving on to cloves. Cloves is something that for many years it went crazy. We had clove water, clove oil, clove essential oil, clove butter. I tried it all and it definitely didn't work. I didn't notice any significant results with it, any positive ones though, because it was very drying. The water was drying, the oil was drying. I still have the essential oil which I use in my hair growth oil because I have it and I have to use it because I spent money on it. But I really didn't notice anything with it. I even tried drinking it. That was where I saw results. When I take this at night before I go to bed, it really helps you to sleep very well. But I have also noticed that it gives me, like, it makes me really hungry. I crave things like crazy when I take cloves, so I had to stop drinking it, no matter that it helps me to relax. Hair growth supplements is something that I saw that was blowing in the past, and in some ways it's still blowing right now. I have tried biotin supplements, collagen supplements, glutathione supplements from different brands just to see if it will actually help with hair growth. And in all honesty, after trying those supplements for so many years, I have not really seen any huge difference in my hair growth rate. But I do believe that they work, but not for my hair. Maybe they work for other people, because I noticed that whenever I use it, my nails are stronger, like my skin is way better, but for my hair, no changes at all. So hair growth supplements, I take them, but not for the hair growth reason, just for health benefits. Shebe is another thing that when it blew up online, I also got and I tried. And after months, almost about a year of using Shebe, I noticed that what its primary function is moisture, helping the hair to retain moisture, because you don't put it on your scalp. That's not how we promote the long hair and all that. You put it on your hair, we apply every 4 days. And to me, I didn't see the difference between Shebe and using a very good leave-in conditioner, then sealing in that moisture with just raw shea butter. Hence the reason why Shebe I had to stop using it. And it was gritty, very gritty, crumbly, messy. Like you pat your hair like this and things start flying out, and that is, to me, a bit embarrassing. So that's why I had to stop Shebe. Shebe for me is not a no, but at the same time it's not a must for me. That's it for this video. If you liked, if you are interested in seeing more videos from me, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Cheers and love you.